guys, good evening to all of you. Guys, 70 days of lockdown and the face looks like this now. But it was very important for us to communicate. Let me start with my small introduction, guys. Guys, my name is Rahul and I have been involved into teaching and I have taught across levels, guys. 20 years it has been now. I would rather precisely tell you 21 years, guys. I started teaching F5JC when I was in TYBCom. And since then, I have been training a lot of students at various levels, guys. Guys, I have a privilege to grow along with the students. A lot of my students have now become fathers, and they tell me that I'm going to teach their kids. Let's come back to purpose. Why are we talking? Guys, in this 70 days, the world has changed. But throughout this 20 years, the world has been always changing for education. Guys, I started teaching when there were blackboards and white chalks. Then there were green boards, then there were white boards, then there were markers. Then we used to take satellite lectures. And then I started my video lectures. I'm involved into video lectures market right now. Guys, a fabulous journey. But change is the only constant thing. And this 70 days made me think that what's new? How is education gonna change now? Because we used to travel by trains, come back to morning lecture at 7 o'clock and then go back to office and all. And now these things are bound to change a little bit. We guys are afraid of traveling out, and I don't know, I'm from Mumbai. Traveling in local train does not sound well right now. Even the Mumbai local trains are not on right now. So guys, where next? And next is technology. So guys, now students, you people are demanding lectures be on the mobile phone, on the go, on the run. Like you are traveling and you want to view the lectures. So I thought, how should I progress? And that's where I came across people who are like-minded. Guys, people who have a vision which I have, that education should keep on changing. Education should be for all. It cannot be restricted to one location. And guys, this institute is known as Navkar Educational Institute, or I would rather say Navkar Digital Institute. So guys, Navkar is an age-old name in Gujarat, Maharashtra also now, and they have adopted to this change very well. They have gone digital, guys. They have come up with an app where lectures will be uploaded and students can view those lectures. Of course, can buy those lectures, can view those lectures and all that stuff. So guys, I thought, why not two like-minded people meet? So guys, we have agreed to a partnership whereby my lectures, to start with, I'll start with FR Old Practical excluding AS on the app, and we are sure that we will expand our partnership, guys. So guys, from tomorrow, my lectures will be live on Navkar app and you guys can view those lectures, particularly old course guys, people, FR, something like CFS, amalgamation, valuations, all those lectures will be on Navkar app. Guys, this partnership is not going to be like a short term, it's going to be in trend, it's going to revolutionize this industry, guys, because education is going to go like that. You might have known about Byju's and all these apps, guys. They have revolutionized how the school education is provided, so why not CA education goes like that? Going digital allows us a lot of flexibility from the professor side because, we can present the questions with a lot of examples, a lot of charts, a lot of diagrams, a lot of PPT presentations in theory, a lot of practical examples right from internet. And it also helps students, guys, you people, less of traveling, a cheaper version, on the go, endless number of things, guys. So guys, let us believe in this partnership. I want you to believe in our partnership, and I believe it. I believe in Navkar. You should believe in Navkar. And we together, me and Navkar, are gonna be progressing on this level, guys. So guys, go to your app box, download this app now and start viewing my lectures on Navkar Digital Institute. What's it, guys? Any other suggestions from your side? You have always given me your suggestions. Are welcome, guys. You can follow me on Insta, Facebook and WhatsApp and a lot of places, guys. You know about that. So guys, let's go ahead. Let's change the way the education is provided. Thank you, guys.